Namaskar. Good afternoon. Today I'm presenting the analysis of horoscope of Mr. Salman Khan, who is the heartthrob of millions of people worldwide. But what is the future holds for him in the coming years? In the coming 3 4 years? I have seen and gone through his horoscope very minutely and deeply and have tried to make an analysis of the same. Mr. Khan is undergoing the main period of Sachin. He was born in Indore on 27th of December 1965 and in the morning hours. This main period of Sachin has been a mixture of good and the worst. Let us sum up that the coming year 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, these 4 5 years, how they are going to uh, be in the case of Mr. Khan. At first, in these first 2 3 years, they are going to be very good for him. There will be an increase, overall increase in his wealth, status, and his movies and business will be very successful, especially his movies. He will try to expand his sphere of business too, but some trouble from the government is not ruled out. On the later part of 2016 and 17, he will be more inclined towards spiritualism and he will be making big efforts and contributions for the needy and poor people. He had been doing it for all his life, but during this time his efforts will increase manifold. This time is also going to be very good for his siblings, for younger siblings, brothers and sisters, but especially his sisters. It will be very good for him. For this time is very good for them. And also, he's a very moody person, and a lot of mood swings will also be there during this time. If he can control some of his mood swings, that will be good for him. And during this time, one thing you make a note down that artistically he will be doing such a marvelous work in his field, which will be remembered for the generations to come. But later on, the later part of 2017, 18, and onwards, he will have some trouble in regard to his health. He has to be careful for that. Some of his old diseases may also resurface, and this period he might be entering into some avoidable disputes. Then later on, relationships will be under pressure. There may be some breakups, delay in projects if he is starting at that time. Partnerships are not his cup of tea. He must not enter into partnerships during that period. And there are indications of some panel actions from maybe governments, courts, or maybe some of his court cases, old court cases, may resurface, and he can land into troubles. Since astrology is just not analysis of one's horoscopes, it is also a very effective tool to know that when we have these problems, can we avoid them, or at least can we minimize them? On the basis of Vedic astrology, some of the suggestions, humble suggestions made by me for Mr. Salman Khan. One, he must take very good care of his health during this period. I personally feel that if yoga is being done by him, that will help him very much instead of very heavy exercises. Two, he must learn to control his anger, keep his cool. For this, meditation is very much suggested and that will be very much helpful to him. Three, he must avoid partnerships during that time. And last but not the least, he must perform certain astrological remedies as prescribed in our holy Vedas, which has the power to minimize the negative influences of these planets. If completely they cannot eradicate those problems, but certainly they have the power to minimize those negative influences. I hope Mr. Salman Khan will take a note of it, and good luck to him. Thank you. Thank you very much.